So, hey guys, this is part of the day 2 of 5 converting your website into a leads machine on autopilot. I wanted to explain to you how the site yourwebsite.com works and also teach you how to look at how your website looks on a cell phone. And so, this is um, a window that we've all used a million times. Um, so a person enters a search query, right? You go to a Google window and you enter a search query. Google automatically gives you what is called a search results page. It's also called SERP. It gives you a search results page. The search results page will have titles, URLs, and a page description, right? So you're going to see this when you go ahead and you search for anything. It may also include a business profile, and this is something that I teach entire workshops on, the power of this specific panel. Every business owner must claim this panel because you're getting, free real estate on a Google search page, and this is called a Google My Business profile. It also may show ads, text ads. I talked about the anatomy of a search page yesterday. There'll be guaranteed ads, Google ads, Google My Business, the local pack. Then you'll see all the websites, and on the bottom again, you'll see ads. So this is what happens when you run a search. And then below that will be the related searches that appear, below all the results. So when you perform a site search for your website, where you go ahead and you do site:/yourwebsite.com, it's going to immediately, it should pull up these kinds of all your pages. If it's not showing anything, then you have a problem because your business does not exist online. Your business exists maybe in your Facebook world, maybe your current customers, but Google doesn't know you exist. So it's important that your pages show up here, and it's going to look like this if you're indexed in the algorithm. If you're not, then you have to create an XML file, submit it, get into Google Console. And so that is an entire workshop that we can do, but that's what you need to do if your website is not showing up. So the thing that you want to look at when you look at these results that show up when you do site:/yourwebsite.com is to look at your page titles. Look at this business that I just used as an example to build my slideshow, Redwood City Graphics. Every page title is the same. Redwood City Graphics has provided California with high quality, low cost screen printing and embroidered products for 15 years. The same thing. Think about this. You have the option to tell the algorithm all the amazing things that you do. And this is how web builders will just build your pages. They'll build a page, they'll copy it, they'll just copy it over and over. And this is why you want to do this check on your own website often, because this is 150 characters. You have the power to tell the algorithm all the amazing cool things, the cool services that you do. And so you can go ahead and change this for every page. And right there, that will increase your leads. This is how you convert your website into a lead magnet on autopilot. You care about the description of every page. And nobody else can write this other than you, which is why it's important for you as a business owner to understand this. You can go ahead and task your web developer to fix this, but this description of what the FAQs, what this page talks about, you as the business owner understand it best. It's also going to tell you if you have a cool product or service, it's not showing up, then the page is not indexed. So hello, you need to act on it and fix it. The other thing which we talked about yesterday was whether your website is secure or not. And here is how you go ahead and check your cell phone version of your website, right? So you go to any page on your website and you right click and choose inspect. You're inspecting how your website is perceived on a cell phone. When you click inspect, it's going to show up, your page is going to split into two, and it's going to show you all the code that went in to build the page. And then this is how the specific example that I use, the Redwood City Graphics, their page is looking on a cell phone. And how do you see the cell phone version? Right here, you'll see a little icon for a cell phone. So you want to go ahead and click on that and see how your website is looking on, is it compatible with a cell phone? So if you do this, then your amazing website, does it really exist online or not? You're going to have clarity right there, because if your pages are indexed and your website looks really sharp on, a mobile version, you're home right there. You're going to start getting your leads. So I hope you'll go ahead and check these for your own sites and partake in the homework that's coming up inside the group. Thank you. Bye.